Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a sleek and professional rolling text animation using CapCut PC. Whether you're looking to add some dynamic text effects to your videos or just want to spice up your content, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. To get started, first, open CapCut on your PC. Once you are in, navigate to the Text tab on the left-hand side of the interface. Here, select Default Text and drag it onto your timeline. Once you're done, next, you'll want to adjust the duration of the text layer to match the length of your desired animation. Simply click and drag the edges of the text layer to extend or shorten its duration. Now, it's time to input your desired text. You can split your text into multiple lines by pressing Enter between each line. This will give the rolling effect a more dynamic appearance. Don't forget to customize the text style to match your video's theme. You can change the font, color, size, and even add a shadow or outline for extra emphasis. With your text in place, it's time to create the rolling effect. Start by dragging the entire text layer downwards on the preview screen so that the first line of text is centered at the bottom of the screen. This will be the starting position. Next, we'll add a position keyframe to mark this starting point. To do this, make sure the text layer is selected, and then click on the Add Keyframe button located in the Position section of the video editor. Now, move the playback cursor to the 3-second mark on the timeline. Once there, drag the text upwards until the last line of text is centered in the middle of the screen. This will create the rolling motion as the text moves from the bottom to the top. Let's give it a quick preview. Hit the play button, and you'll see your text rolling smoothly from the bottom to the top of the screen. To take this effect to the next level, we'll now convert the text layer into a compound clip. This allows us to apply more advanced effects. Right-click on the text layer in the timeline and select Create Compound Clip. With the compound clip created, let's add a video mask. Head over to the Video section, and then click on the Mask tab, and then from there, choose Mirror. Now adjust the text position and size as necessary. This will give your text a reflective effect, adding more depth to the animation. Once you're done. Now finally, your rolling text animation is complete. You've now created a dynamic and eye-catching text effect that's perfect for intros, lower thirds, or any part of your video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.